The only habit that separates the top 1% from the rest of the world is the brutal ability to delay gratification for a higher purpose. You must learn to trade temporary pleasure for permanent power now. Most people are addicted to the cheap thrill of the present moment and toys. They are slaves to their own impulses and their weak neural pathways. You are burying your future under a mountain of instant comfort today. Discipline is the highest form of self-love because it values your future self. Yet the Matrix wants you to consume everything that you have right now. It is time to stop being a victim of your own biological cravings today. The 99% are chasing pink shadows that will eventually fade away, while the 1% are planting white seeds in the quiet dark alone. You must be willing to be misunderstood for a very long time to win. When you master the art of waiting, you finally become the master of your life. You will feel a deep sense of peace as your vision begins to grow alone. Action is the only cure for the fear of a life spent in mediocrity today. The path to greatness is paved with the things that you chose not to buy now. You will feel kiek as you walk the path while others are playing. But those who sacrifice today will own the entire world of tomorrow. Small habits of restraint are the bricks that will build your massive empire. Your life is a long-term investment that requires logic and clear vision. Stop wasting your energy on distractions that provide no real value. True power is the ability to say no to the pink matrix and yes to your soul. It is the strength to own your time and walk your own bright white path. Freedom is the only currency that truly matters in this world today. The invisible chains of the crowd are built with the need for instant praise. They keep you obedient and keep you trapped in a cycle of small thinking. Cut the ties today and start building a life that earns for you now. You must choose between the pain of discipline or the long and heavy pain of regret. One path leads to a summit of light, while the other leads to darkness. Your destiny is not a matter of luck, but a matter of your habits today. Your potential is a sleeping giant that is currently trapped in a small cage. Delay is the key to that cage, and the only way to release the beast now. Stop feeding the fear in your mind and start feeding the wolf of success. The world does not care about your desires, it only cares about your results. You can spend a lifetime preparing for a battle that you never show up for. Execution is the language of the winners and the only way to be free. Every choice you make today is a vote for the person you will become in a year. The mindset of the elite is the bridge between the earth and the gods. Stop negotiating with your laziness because it wants you to stay weak. Today is the day you decide to stop being a slave to your own chemical rushes. Walk through the fire of restraint and let it burn away your old life. Growth begins exactly where your comfort zone finally comes to end today. True wealth begins the moment you value your future more than your present joy. Walk toward the white light of logic and build your own empire today. The matrix of impulse only exists as long as you continue to believe.